What's up, everybody? Bowman Hobby, pick your color number 20. Good luck, guys. We're in a random team for the NBA Super Spots. This does kill the case. Good luck. Dice roll, we're going 5 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Fifth and final. Here we go. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And there is your random teams. So if we hit a super and you have that team, I mean, a $5 little cheap stab here, guys. Nobody gets hurt. Everybody got your teams. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Interesting to have Brandon Ingram back in LA, just in a different uniform. Bronny's Laker contract became fully guaranteed yesterday. Today he says he's leaving. I wonder what kind of contract. What is LeBron's new contract gonna look like with whatever team? Probably gonna be like a 2-year. Huh? What you think? There's no way he's gonna sign a 1-year deal, right? It's gotta be at least like a 2-year deal, possibly a 3-year, but I think realistically a 2-year is probably the safest. Because just looking at the facts, he's still very high performing at his age. I can't see him going to the Spurs. It's a cool thought. Like, I would have never thought about it. I don't hate it. I just can't see him going. That would be kind of fitting to honestly to have his kind of leadership on that kind of team with that much talent. I think that would be a game changer. I just can't see him going to the Spurs though. I could see Warriors for sure. Warriors, Cavaliers, I could see for sure. But with that kind of leadership, that's deadly. Like, deadly. Love or hate LeBron, like that would be a crazy dream. Can you imagine LeBron and Wemby on the floor at the same time? And then you would have somebody like a Castle or a Harper just kind of running out there and doing whatever they feel like doing. LeBron to the Globetrotters. Oh, 100%, James. 100%. I don't I don't disagree with that statement. I wouldn't expect him to be like welcomed with open arms, but I think more Spurs fans, in my opinion, which is my opinion, I think more Spurs fans would be welcome to see that kind of veteran presence. The things is from everyone, from coach to even De'Aaron Fox, who's almost a 10-year veteran in the league. Like, even De'Aaron Fox, like, looks like he makes some boneheaded moves. For example, taking the shot. Boneheaded moves. You got Wemby, who's 3 years in the league now. You got Harper, who's coming off of a solid rookie season. You got Stephon Castle, who's been in the league for 2 years now. Like, to have that kind of that veteran leadership to like keep everybody in line. At least that's the goal. Could be Mashak, of course. Yellow wave of Jalen Wilson. Keomi McMiller. That's true, Harrison Barnes, but I mean, LeBron James, like, his basketball IQ is, I'm sorry. Again, love him or hate him, his basketball IQ is out of this world. Love him or hate him, his basketball IQ is out of this world. Carter Bryant. Nice Shea on the purple. That's what I mean. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, I can't see it, but it's fun to talk about. It's really fun to talk about. Like, to think about it. If there was a team I would want to see him on right now, it probably would be the Spurs. I would say Thunder, but Thunder, I don't think needs the veteran leadership. I think Thunder got that young core, and I think they built around it to a point where, Jason Edwards, to the point where obviously Chet, them, they've already been through the championship. Exactly. If Pop called in the favor, I'm sure he would go. But to what level are you willing to give up? Because I could also see LeBron changing the Spurs team dynamic too, which that could also hurt the team chemistry. You know what I mean? Like, and that's a lot of it. A lot of it is chemistry, right? Like knowing your teammates well, improving on your teammates, playing to their strengths, playing to their weaknesses. But that's what I'm saying. Like, cause Coach Mitch now he's already looking at. I just was too lazy to put it up today. But yeah, I mean, I think I could see LeBron like getting into it with Coach Mitch, like kind of being like that old man at your workplace, you know, the old man that knows everything. I could see that happening, and then that could cause some confrontations or some undermining by LeBron. You know, it's that old man at work syndrome, like with Mister E. Spolstra. That's what I'm saying. But that's what I'm saying, Mike. Like that's why I don't. I would honestly say like I love the thought of LeBron going to the Spurs. I love the thought of it, but I don't know that I don't know if that's no, you know what? You know what? I changed my mind. I take that back. Let me putting an extra 30 seconds of thought into it. I think Braun would do a lot more good for the Spurs than harm. Yeah, you know, I read I swear it was yesterday, Bullwinkle. I was reading the article where it said that the Heat were very interested in LeBron. And I was like, oh fuck, imagine that Giannis, LeBron, and freaking Bam. That actually sounds like a pretty unique combo. And I think it could work. I think it would complement Bam a lot too. There's your Cam Whitmore in every freaking case. Yeah. And that's why we're having this conversation. It's exactly why we've been having this conversation since this morning. Like, nice Luca. I mean, I'll be honest with you. Giannis is in a better situation with Miami than he was with the Bucks. Chris Middleton is underrated. Honestly, Chris Middleton is a fucking Chris Middleton. The two underrated guys is Chris Middleton and freaking Derek White. For me, those are some of my favorite underrated guys. Kobe Saunders. I don't think they get enough love for what they are able to do on their respective teams. A Brave. Wow, this case was fucking disgusting. I'm so wait. What did I do? What did I do? That orange. Iguodaro orange to 25. I'm confused, Goldbergs. Sorry, guys. This case was fucking terrible. Davion Hannah. All right, a purple of Dibanza. That might have been the best card in the case next to the Kanipo. Uh, Sorry, guys. Ironically, the best part about that case was the fact that we had a extra auto in the case. Who's they? The main? That's pretty. That's tough. Oh, that's awesome, James. Oh yeah, I mean, I recommend honestly. I mean, if you ever need help, you're more than happy to add me on Instagram. More than happy to help, but you gotta do a lot of the legwork. A lot of the '90s stuff, yeah. Kobe, Jordan, Griffey's, certain Bonds, all those guys. Basically, the Duncans. Those ones you want to kind of take a look at. Garnett's, a lot of the inserts, and you're gonna want to go. You're gonna want to go through it. Yeah, that you're gonna have to work with somebody on. Unfortunately, like we don't do that. Again, you're welcome to send me like pictures of what you have or something. You're more than welcome to send me that. But yeah, I mean, if we're going through like, if you got like 10,000 cards, that's probably not the most efficient way for me to look. Those not so great. The Emmett Smiths, the Marinos, the Emmett Smiths, the Steve Youngs, even like the Brett Favre's, the wild cards. Like it's all condition sensitive. So it can be. I'm not saying you don't have nothing. I'm not saying that, but a lot of the '90s, late '80s, '90s, we call it the junk wax era. So it's a little tough. It's a little tough on those ones there, because a lot of people have that same card. So like No disrespect. Absolutely no disrespect. You know. Here we go, guys. We're opening up a Blez Online pack. You get a free Blez Online pack with every purchase except for your one box breaks, guys. The one box random teams, we can't do them on like that. But if anybody here wants to purchase their own Blez Online pack, guys, we have packs starting as low as $15. Feel free to use the code HAMA and save 20% off your first purchase of Blez Online. It is real cards shipped directly to you, and if you don't like it, we buy it back instantly for 90% fair market value. Oh my God. I don't know if this is the same number, but this might have been the third time I've hit this card. Somebody's getting $9 in BlezBucks credits. I do love Larry Bird. Dice roll 6 times. Good luck. One, two, three, four, five, six, then final. NIL purple. Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Purple chrome. Is that the amazing Shen? That's gonna get $9 in BlezBucks credits.